Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit more of a warning. Just want to save some people some, I guess, energies and wasted time for things that I've done in the past, and I'm hoping to avoid you guys going down the same route. Basically, I have a post on my blog that says it all. Over the past, I don't know, couple of years, I've contributed significantly to the feedback portal, primarily the Access feedback portal, but I have in other applications and other fields added suggestions over the years. A lot of them, especially when it comes to Access, have been regarding bugs. That's where we were directed as MVPs. They basically told us, send all your comments, all your feedbacks, bug reporting, everything on the feedback portal. So that's where I was when I was testing the new web browser, the modern web browser control. I was posting there. When I was testing the Monaco SQL editor, I was posting there and getting support because people were upvoting my suggestions. So I'm not alone thinking what I was thinking. But what I noticed a short while ago, and I didn't really think much of it, and you'll see I have multiple, these are just a couple, but I have multiple posts over the last couple of years where, a suggestion would just vanish in thin air. And then another would vanish in thin air. But just, things that were there for 6 months, a year, and then suddenly they were gone. And then after this has happened a couple times, in my previous post, I said, I'd really have to go through an inventory of all my suggestions to really see what's going on here. And that's what I ended up doing. One morning, I just decided, I went back on my blog and I pulled out any blog that had reference to the feedback portal. And I started at the oldest one and I just started moving forward through different posts. And I stopped after going through 9 posts. And in the 9 posts that I had on my blog, I had 34 suggestions. And basically, if you scroll through, you'll see the status with a red X that the suggestion had been deleted. And you can go through and you're going to see quite the trend here. Every single of the 34 had been deleted by Microsoft. They're all gone, every last one. I'll even point out that this one here was one of the earlier ones, and I said to myself, maybe it was a mistake, something happened. So I created it again, and even the new one was removed. So these aren't accidental deletions. I don't buy that. I'm sorry, I just don't. So all I'm going to say at the end of the day here is it's pretty clear that the feedback portal is a waste of anyone's time. I don't care who you are. You are wasting your time if you think for a moment that Microsoft cares about anything you're going to post on that blog or that forum, whatever you want to call it. The feedback portal for any subject is you are wasting your time. If you think it's going to determine the future of a product, you're sadly mistaken. Microsoft will do as Microsoft does. No surprise there in reality. But I thought things like requests for documentation, I thought posting bug reports, I thought things like that actually had value. And this clearly demonstrates it doesn't. There's no spin you can give where 34 suggestions that aren't crap, that are valid suggestions that have been upvoted by countless other end users. I had one that was the 3rd highest voted on the new Outlook forum. Okay. I have several here that were on the first page of the Access product. So these aren't small little things that were buried and nobody upvoted. These are things that had support, that have value, that have interest, and have all been deleted. So take it as you want, but I'm telling you, don't waste your time, okay? Go elsewhere, do whatever you're going to do. Access, Microsoft is what it is. And it is, anyway, it is what it is. So I just want to put it out there, hopefully help a few of you to just not waste 10, 15, 20 minutes of your day trying to post something thinking that it's actually going to achieve something. It just won't. It's sad. UserVoice before the feedback portal was quite the same. And now we see that although they replaced it with their own forum tool, whatever you want to call it, ultimately the result is very similar. So anyway, that is what this post is. I wish they had good news. I wished I could say, you know, they're listening, they're going through things, they're doing it. But the sad reality is that they don't, and they aren't, and they won't. Let's not kid ourselves. If they haven't done it by now after multiple years, it's not going to suddenly happen. And add to that is just the simple fact, as I put here, is, you know, valid posts disappear, and yet I can show you countless spam posts, countless spam comments that are still on the site. So then I start wondering, am I being targeted maybe? God only knows. At this point, I really don't care anyway. But I did want to put it out there. If you think the feedback portal is a venue to get your voice out there, I'm just telling you it isn't. It's a waste, a total and utter waste. And it's actually more than a waste. It's a disgrace, because it should be one of these fundamental tools. And it should be a great tool in reality. And as we can clearly see here, it's an abomination the way they've destroyed what should have been a great opportunity for everyone, end users and the dev team alike. When you throw out this level of feedback and response from end users and comments and all of that, you know, people put in their time, not just me. Tons of people added comments and feedback and support and, you know, pushed what I suggested further with other views. And, you know, when that's just thrown out the window in the manner that this is, and I stopped at 34, there's more. I can keep digging and get even more. It truly says a lot about either, I don't know if it's Microsoft or if it's the Access dev team, but it says a lot about the corporation, the mentality, and it shows from the top down that they don't care about what anyone else says. There, I'm stopping there because I'm just rambling on, but I'm just telling you, stay away from the feedback portal, Microsoft feedback portal. It's a total and utter waste.